Alright guys, I'm going to be unboxing my Coastal Scents order. If you guys want to see what I got, keep on watching. Alright, here is the box. Last few times I've purchased from them, it comes into like this purple box, but I guess not this time around. Let's go ahead and open the box. Let's get to it. This is how it came packaged. Okay, order some single brushes. Got a big brush, foundation brush, blending brush, another one of those guys. I got a stipple brush. I got actually two blend brush. I want to try this brush out and see if it can work as a highlighter brush. And I got an angle eyeliner brush, powder brush, and a medium stipple brush. I'm gonna take this box down. So I got this set right here, and I think this is wrong. This is supposed to come with 4 more brushes, and it has only 4. Maybe it's in here. Let's keep looking. I bought a total of 4 of these guys. Bought 4 of 8 brush sets, as in it says 4 eye brush set. Oh, here it is. This is the other set. So it comes like this. It's actually a great deal. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Oh, this is awesome. So I got 4 of these sets. One of them is for me for my travel bag. I'm like, Coastal Scents brushes are not bad. It's not like the great quality. I love my Estee Lauder brushes, but this, not so bad for the price. Like I said, I got 4 of these sets. 2 of them is for my daughter's friends, and then one of them is for me, and the other one's just like for a backup. This is awesome. Wow, I like them. That's the 4. I got a lipstick. I want to try one of their lipsticks since it was like on sale during Black Friday. And I got this really dark one. Let me just do a quick swatch for you guys. I want to try maybe a dark purple one for my Halloween makeup tutorials. This is the lipstick I got from them. It's my first lipstick. It's pretty dark. It's not too bad. I think it's 09. When I put it on the back of my hand, it feels kind of creamy. That's a good thing. I got this set from my daughter. She's sitting over there, but that's okay. Got this for her instead of the 8-piece brush set. She's not huge into makeup, but I was thinking that this would be better for her because she's really, she's very simplistic, let's just say. It comes with an eyeliner. It looks pretty good. Super cute. Soft, feels soft. Not bad. I like it. Got a few palettes. I got 2 of the Think Pink palette and 1 of the Winter Berry palette. I was planning on giving this to my niece. Really excited for this here. The price is pretty awesome. Here's the Think Pink. Oh, I'm hoping this one is, it's like more like a gray, not black. And let me give you guys a close up of the Winter Berry. I have so many eyeshadows. I don't even know why I bought this. I'm like, might as well. It's so cheap. It's really, really pretty. And the nice thing about these, I think that you can pop out you can pop out the color. They have single, they call it hot pots, so single eyeshadows. You can pop it out and just put in the other colors that you might like. And I got some hot pots in here as well. I bought a whole bunch of their eyeshadows, such as Smoking Deal. I usually buy their products during Black Friday. And this is like my 3rd time purchasing from them. This is the Review palette that's popular. They had like a bundle, and I decided to pick them up. I got the Review, the matte version, the 3, the smoky, and a concealer as well. I read the reviews. People like them. I was just going to throw this in my makeup kit. Here's one of the other palette in that set. I actually don't remember how many was in that set. It's probably all these guys here that was in that bundle. And I got, of course, blush. I love blush. So trying out their blush as well. This is the Blush 2 palette. It looks super pretty. I like it a lot. It's really pretty. I just like blush, so this would be great. I opened this at the very end so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh yes, I got the 22 brush set. I've been using it in my Halloween makeup tutorials, and it's kind of thrashed a little bit because it's like touching blood and all that crazy FX makeup. So I decided to grab another one. Comes like this. Has all the brushes laid out right here. Comes like that. The The only brush I had a problem with, to be honest, is this brush right here. I don't know if it was this one in the set or the one that I purchased singly. The glue comes apart right here, so I always get my husband to re-glue it back on. It happened to, I think, 1 or 2 of them. Other than that, the rest of the brushes are great for the value. And to fill up your makeup kit, to have additional brushes, this is an awesome, awesome kit. Here's my single pots. My hot pots, that's what they call it. Oh, here's another single brush. So it was the eyeliner. All my single pots I purchased. I would give a close-up at the very end of the colors. I was customizing a palette for my niece, so she's getting into Halloween makeup then. The reason I bought all this makeup is for my Halloween makeup tutorial, and I needed more red eyeshadows. This is the one I'm customizing for her. I got a whole bunch of these Coastal Scents pans, but this one doesn't have like where you insert the eyeshadow individually. It's just a magnetic pan, and you can just insert anything. Almost like I think they call it the Z palette. Comes like that. And I like it how it's clear. My other ones are not clear, so I can see the colors. And you just put in your eyeshadows, blushes, whatever in here. This is my first time getting this, so I'm not sure how the magnetic will go into this little guide, but hopefully it goes in well. I inserted my Estee Lauder eyeshadows into the pan, and it worked really well. Alright, down to the eyeshadows. Again, I don't need all these eyeshadows, but I'm like, it's a good deal. Might as well. So far, none of the eyeshadows that I opened cracked or anything during transit, so that's a bonus. It was tightly packaged as well. This is the revealed, the original, I guess the first one they came out with. Oh, it's not bad. I was just assuming that's gonna be crappy. Like, I make anything work. Crappy eyeshadow to nice eyeshadow, I make it all work. It's not bad. This is the original one first. No, this is the 2. The one I showed you was the 2. Sorry, I'm not used to this because I didn't really research this before I purchased it. And here's the next one. This is the original one. So this one is the 2. Okay, this one is the 2. This one is the original one. These are so cheap. Even if you don't like it, if you like even one eyeshadow, that's like good enough. Yeah, it's actually not bad. I can make them work. Here's the original. I'm gonna have it at the very end where it's side by side each other, okay? The matte. I bet you these colors, a lot of them are duplicate colors, but it's fine. Here's the matte. Ooh, it looks, wow, it's really, really pretty. Ooh, I like the matte a lot. I like the matte a lot. Awesome, awesome shades. I like it how they have this sleeve inside the box so that protects the eyeshadows. That's probably why I didn't get damaged during transit, so that's a good thing. Originally when I purchased this bundle, there was all the palettes, all these palettes into a set, but one of them, I think it was out of stock. I can't remember which one it was. So they decided to just do it with the concealer. They replaced that other eyeshadow palette with the concealer instead. I wasn't like really needing concealer. I'm like, oh, whatever. It's still a good deal. This is a 3. Colors are pretty. It's more like a wine type of colors. If you guys want me to do swatches on these eyeshadows, just let me know so I can do another tutorial because we're trying to just get through this a little bit faster. The Smoky. You know how many companies try to knock off the Naked palette? Like every freaking single company. Smoky's pretty too. Has some mattes and sands and shimmer. And last but not least, the concealer. Here's the concealer. It has just your concealer over here, and these are your correctors on this side, which is great. But I don't know, with this concealer, the only thing I always have questions about is like, is it meant for older skin? Is it great for wrinkles? Because I feel like a lot of the concealers are for perfect 20-year-olds and I'm not there. But I want to try this and let you guys know. One of the palettes I'm missing is the rouge is what I'm missing. The rest I have, since it was in the bundle I purchased, I'm going to have it side by side. Here's all the palettes side by side. I'm super excited to use these colors, especially the matte. These are the single hot pots that I got. And now I'm customizing my niece's palette. Awesome, awesome colors for Halloween. I am really happy with my purchase. I think my niece is gonna love this, especially for her Halloween makeup. I forgot to get the black color. I'm kind of pissed off at myself for that. But it pretty much is the great colors for Halloween to do the gore, scary makeup. I love this brush set. $4? Are you serious? This is such a great deal. I don't even know how the quality is. It's probably not bad. Like, I compare it to all the other Coastal Scents brushes that I have. It's not bad. I can't say it's like amazing, but seriously, you can't go wrong with brushes at all. It feels soft. It's great. I always love the first set. I'm glad I bought another one. I was gonna buy two, but I decided one is good enough because my husband's like seeing me spend so much money on makeup. So I decided just to buy one and then next year maybe buy another one. I'm not sure if I'm super crazy about the Think Pink palette and the Winter Berry palette, but it's like a great deal, and if not, I can just throw all the colors out, which I'm not, and just use the pan because you can do that. I think it has to be my least favorite item in this, but it's not really my least favorite. It's probably the Winter Berry eyeshadow palette. I actually knew I wasn't gonna like this that much because it's more of a satin finish. There's no matte in this. It's really, really shimmery. But you know what? That color is actually really pretty. To be honest, you're making me choose one. It'd probably this one would be my least favorite, but honestly, it's not for the price. I'm not sad about it at all. It's a great palette, and when I want to do purple eyeshadow, and I got this palette, to be honest, to do my fairy gory Halloween makeup tutorial for next year. So that's what this palette was for, and I'm glad I got this. And the pink too. The pink and the purple I was going to just mix together. Other than that, I love my purchase. My brushes, I purchased single brushes. If you guys seen me use in my Halloween makeup tutorials or my makeup tutorials, I do use the Coastal Scent brushes because it's not expensive, it's reasonably priced, and the quality is great for the price point for sure. Like, if you really think about it, I don't remember how much this bling brush is, but it's probably like less than $5 or something like that. My Estee Lauder eyeshadow brush is, the bling brush is like $30 or $30-ish back in the day. I still have it. My favorite hands down bling brush is the Estee Lauder, but this isn't bad at all. The brush quality for the price is amazing. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you guys want to see tutorials on these eyeshadow or swatches, just let me know down below. Other than that, don't forget to have fun, be creative, and I'll see you next time.